Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to 2022. So, welcome everybody. It's New Year's Day. I want to do a little video for you guys and kind of let's talk about where we're going to go with on this channel, what we're going to try to do this year. We've definitely set some big goals. I don't know if it's going to happen, but we're going to give it a shot. We spent a lot last night. Me, Steve, and Amped, my buddy Joe were in the garage. We were talking, going through the car, trying to figure out what we need to do and stuff like that. They made a big list on the wall of things that need to be still repaired, and it's quite a list. Apparently Joe needs to quit looking for issues on the car because we kept finding little ones. We definitely need more money, so, but that's just some of us messing around last night. I got the anti-roll bar in. I will show you guys the anti-roll bar here in just a minute. I'm also going to do an updated car video here either today or tomorrow, because the original video I posted, everything has changed since that. I was definitely still trying to get used to the camera back then, and I feel like I'm a little bit more comfortable in front of it now. But we still got a lot of stuff to do. We found a major issue last night that we're not sure what happened. I'll show you guys though. If you look right there, that belt is not sitting on there. I've never had that problem before. This accessory drive has been on there since we twinned this car. So I honestly don't know what broke. So that's something I gotta try to look at real quick. But we got some other stuff, but let me get it in the air. I'll show you guys the rear suspension. Y'all seen me put the coilovers on. But we also got the anti-roll bar set last night. And if you look, the car is sitting so much better. I'm so much happier with the car just by putting the coilovers on. As you can see, it's sitting way nicer. So let me get in there and I'll show you guys the anti-roll bar. So guys, there it is. We got coilovers all installed. I still got to put anti-seize on these. Everything's back down for now so we can actually drive it on the street some. The anti-roll bar has been fully welded in. You look in the front, links are all good. Now I haven't put any preload on these or anything because I don't plan on it yet till we start trying to set the suspension up for the track. But it definitely is starting to look more like a drag car, that's for sure. So, but when we go to drive it on the street, I'll disconnect. I think they said you only got to disconnect one link. And I might end up disconnecting both or possibly taking the anti-roll bar completely off while we street drive it, just so I don't damage it, because it does sit down quite a bit lower. I don't know if that'd really damage it or not. I've heard people saying they do every now and then, but we'll see. But it's in, so the whole rear suspension is pretty much done. We just gotta put it on the scales and maybe have somebody else look at it. I'm also gonna pull the cover, make sure nothing's wrong in the diff. I haven't pulled this apart since the rear end was built. Definitely need to check my drums. Like I said, we found a couple small problems. We still got a leak from the trans pan, so we're gonna put a new gasket on it and seal the bolts, because it looks like it's that bolt right there. A couple of the bolts are leaking. So I'm gonna put a new gasket on it. I've also got a small leak up there, the transcooler line. And right here in the front, which I'm not sure, that could be the dipstick leaking. Huh, well, we might have to replace the dipstick. We'll see. But just little things. We got a small power steering leak. You know how it is. It's always something, guys. But it's not why we're here. Kind of want to give y'all what we're gonna try to do this year. Try to make it a big year for G-Body Garage and just our whole racing little team, I guess you'd call it. We've got Midwest Drags already lined up. So that's going to be probably the biggest event I've ever been a part of. We know we'll go to LS Fest as long as the car is still together. I've already talked to Steve, and he's already starting a tune that we know that the last digit's going to be a 3+3 something as far as boost numbers. So, and he's going to call it the Bring the Trailer tune. So I told him at LS Fest we could put the Bring the Trailer tune in it and launch it and see what it'll do, because I really want to get this into the 8s. It's about to go to Steve's to have the intercooler put in real quick. Well, I say real quick, but I don't think it's going to be real quick. But besides that, we still got to get back to the Malibu. I'm actually going to talk to my wife to see if she wants to order her cam for this, so I can go ahead and start on it. The 88 hiding over there. I've got a couple small things that I need to do to it. I'm really wanting to talk to a friend of ours about possibly buying his blower. I don't know if it'll ever happen, if he'll ever sell it. I really wish he would. He hasn't used it yet, and he's had it sitting around a while. I'd really like to stick a blower on that car just for fun. I don't know if it'll happen. But really, I mean, we got some big plans for the year. I'm really wanting to get some new shirts made. I've talked to a company about new shirts. I've just got to, like everything, you got to come up with the money to buy them. So I might be selling shirts real soon. But besides that, we're just going to keep chugging along in here. Keep building motors. We've got some other people that are going to be racing with us that are a part of us. Albert with this Fox body, I'm hoping it can get done so we can all go together. I'm really hoping the other Steve, we can put his 86, his silver Monte Carlo back together so he can go to the drag strip with us. But I'm hoping we can get a whole bunch of people to actually race this year so we can have a whole team of racing. But guys, that's really it. I hope your new year is going good. I hope you guys are having a good time. Everybody's staying safe. If you would, hit the notification bell, like, subscribe. You can find me on Instagram, MontyGuy90. I think I'm MontyGuy90 on TikTok also. I'm just getting into the TikTok thing, guys, so it's new to me. But guys, we got a lot of plans for the year, but we still got a lot to do to the car before we really start racing it. And I hope you guys are having a good time. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's been 1 year almost since we started this, and it seems to be doing okay. I'd really like to grow more. And if you guys have any content you want to see, let me know. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Or if you need help on your car and you can't figure it out, let me know. I'll do my best to help you. I've got a group of people behind me that help me that I can ask if I can't figure it out. So if you need anything, just let me know. If you're in the area and you just want to BS and stop in one day, I live in Louisville, Kentucky. So you just let me know. You're more than welcome to stop by and we can talk, and I'll show you guys the cars. I don't mind. So with that, guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, we'll see you later.